Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa classes. Our today's topic is probability from theory to practice. If we see clouds in the sky, we say that probably it will rain today. If a student is not not getting good marks in the examination, we may say that probably he will not pass in the examination. In these days of inflation, the prices of everything is rising. We may say that the chances of prices of petrol are that they will rise in the near future. There are chances that the petrol prices will rise in the near future. And in the same way, you may say, I doubt that he will pass in the examination. There may be some cricket match between the two countries and you are watching the live telecast of the match and you may say that there is 50-50 chance of a particular country winning the match. Here all the words such like probably, I doubt, doubt where you raise doubt, or there are chances, you word the chances, or raise any doubt or probably or something like these words. Here all these words are having an element of uncertainty. You are not sure that something will certainly occur. Suppose in the case of, as already discussed, in the case of clouds in the sky, it is quite possible that for the last few days there has been raining in your area and that is why you say that it may rain today. That is on the basis of the experience or on the basis of the performance of the students in the past examinations. You may say that he may not pass in the examination or he may stood first in the class. So all these sentences which we have so far understood contain an element of uncertainty. In many cases, we can measure this uncertainty numerically with the help of probability in mathematics. Now, after going through this course, the students will learn sorry, probability is a fundamental concept in mathematics and statistics. It quantifies, it means probability, quantifies the likelihood of an event occurring. It represents a numerical value between 0 and 1. If the probability is 0, it means that the event is impossible to happen. If the probability is 1, it means that the event is sure to happen. Certainly the event will happen. But if the value of probability is between 0 and 1, it shows the varying degrees of likelihood. Whether it is predicting weather conditions, assessing the chances of winning a game, or making informed financial investments, probability is an essential tool that helps us in making rational decisions in situations where outcomes are uncertain or unpredictable. Its applications are diverse and far reaching, making it an indispensable concept in modern day problem solving and decision making. For example, if we want to establish a factory in an area, we will go take into also consideration the concept of probability, whether we will be able to get enough electricity supply, weather, there are chances that we will get enough labor to run our or work in the factories. All this is based on the concept of probability. No doubt, undoubtedly, we will have to take into consideration many other facts, the cost involved, expenditure to be incurred on the factory. That is, many facts have been considered. But here we also take into the consideration the concept of probability. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.